Hi everyone, it's Shell from Designs by Shell here. Thanks for joining me today. Today I have a little project for you on making some really quick and fast gift tags. We can all use probably lots of those through the Christmas season as we're wrapping our gifts and needing a tag for them. So I'm gonna show you some really fast ways to make them with maybe some pages that come in the paper pads, and then some stamped ones, and some ones that you can just kind of put together really quickly. So first off, I'll show you these ones. I've got a little stack here that I've created, and so these I've just cut from one of my paper pads, some of the little characters, and just kind of cut out from some of the pieces in the pad that I thought were appropriate to make into tags. And I've just punched holes in them and just tied on some these ones I've just used some like crochet cotton for the strings on these ones. So here's a little snowman, and these ones, some of them you can write on the front to from, and then some on the back, whatever you prefer. And here's another cute one here with warmest wishes and a little snowman. We've got snow chill here, a couple of cute snowmen here, and that you can write on the back of that one. Here's one that says so chilly, and there's lots of space on the front for writing on that one. This one says Noel. Now this one was one of those advent calendars, and I thought, well, you could still use the little numbers on here, even if you weren't going to use it for an advent calendar. You can even cover that up with a sticker if you wanted to, but it's kind of cute on a mug of hot cocoa there. There's a sweater, and this one said cozy under it, and I thought, well, that still works for a little gift tag. This one here, I just cut out some little gifts and put that on top of the tree, and I think there was a number behind the gifts on that one, so I wanted to cover that up and just make it a little different. So that's that. This one I just layered up a couple of different papers on top of this one, so you could write on the front of this or on the back, whatever you like. Here's one that said joy, so I've just used that. So I guess that's called some ephemera, I guess they call those, when you just get the pieces that are already kind of ready to go like that. But it makes it super easy. You just punch holes and add your string onto there. And then the next ones, sometimes when you get these little paper pads, they'll come with, let's see, the ready-made gift tags. Let's see if I can find a page in here that has that. There it is. So these already are ready to go pretty much for you. You just cut them out and punch the holes in them. And so that makes it super easy. So I've done that with some of them here with one of the other pages, and you can see what they look like. It's pretty simple. And then I did a few that I just used some of my stamps and stamped out. This one's just a little scene with a church and some Christmas trees and little houses on there, and then that's ready to write on. Here's one with just some kind of silver snowflakes on there that I did. This was a pretty stamp I had with a bough of greenery and some ornaments hanging on it. And then I did, this one is just one of the kind of labels cut out. I cut that out with my die cut machine and then stamped on it Merry Christmas, added some snowflake stamp on there. I punched a couple holes and tied some baker's twine in there, and then you could just write on the back of that, or you could just write a name even on the front if you like. So those were super easy to do. And now I'm going to share one with you that I used one of my stamps to do. So I had a stamp that says wishing you a sparkling holiday season, and I just die cut some of these tags. I had the tag shape die here, and it's got the stitching around it. And then this one's just a rectangle die that I had, and it also had stitching around it. So I used the different colors of ink on those, and then here's a few that I finished up here. So this one I just I put a little piece of sparkly paper underneath there. I used my punch, put some holes in there, and added that on for some decoration, and just a couple little stickers popped up on the 3D dots. Kind of made that one look festive, and I got the baker's twine on there. And then another one here, I've used some of these kind of puffy sparkle circles, I guess you call them, and added some little glittered sparkles on there as well. And then just punched the hole and added the string. And then here's one. I just cut out a little poinsettia for this one and added some sparkle to it, and then added some more of that stickle on there. That's like this here. And so we'll go ahead and finish up a couple here together. So I've got 2 ready to go here. This one I just need to punch a hole in for the corner here. Do that. And let's see, maybe I'll put the string on first here. Got that ready. This is just the white crochet cotton, and you could use, you know, there's lots of different options for string. Obviously, you could use ribbon, you could use any different colors of baker's twine that you might have. Yeah, there's lots of ideas for that. Just trim the ends here. There we go. Okay, and now I'm gonna add a little poinsettia on here. I think I'll add that to this one here. Just got some adhesive on the back of there. Just gonna put that on there. We could add a little one of these dots on here. I think the red ones are pretty festive for Christmas. We'll maybe add that in the corner up there. And if you want to add a little more sparkle, we can put a little more of this on here to make it look festive and nice. It doesn't take too long to dry, just a couple minutes. So there's one. And this one I cut out a double poinsettia here. And then we'll just put this on here. Like so. Maybe add another dot or something on here. Or this green one will look nice down there. We can add another one up in this top here. So now you could, there's lots of ideas you could do to bling this up. If you have other stickers in your stash, you could look through that and see if there's something appropriate to add to it. But see how quick and easy that was? It doesn't take too long to make gift tags. So I hope you feel inspired and you like those ideas. And this may be my last video I do before Christmas. So I want to wish everyone a very Merry Christmas, and thanks so much for watching and all your comments. And we'll see you in the new year. Bye for now.